What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. And as titled, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of my hair after protective styling. So as you can see, my hair is starting to look dusty and everything. So first thing first you want to do is start taking down your hair. That's number one on period. Okay. As you can see, my hair still looks moisturized after having the protective style. That's why it's important that you guys do moisturize before you do this. My hair was like super soft. I didn't even want to like wash it because it looked so cute, like super cute. So boom, everything's out of my head. This is what my hair looks like. I really like the pattern that's going on. It's really cute, loving it, but we gotta wash this out. So I then go ahead and stand in the shower, rinse my hair out. I'm going to use conditioner first. I use conditioner first basically so that my hair can be easier to manage, and I can hand detangle my hair. If I have any gel on the ridges of my forehead, like my edges, then I can just basically like rub it off, get everything all rinsed out. So it could be easier to do when I put shampoo into my hair. Once you finish rinsing out the conditioner, I go in with my Aussie Miracle Curl shampoo. And I'm going to put that all through my hair, lather it, and we're going to just scrub it dub until I can't scrub it up no more. So, with that being said, your hair is going to feel a little bit dry, being that you use sulfate. So I went in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner, and I put that all throughout my hair. And I also use more of the conditioner of the Miracle Curls, mostly because Aussie Moist Conditioner gives me like the most slip, and it makes my hair feel like butter. And I love when my hair feels like matte soft and everything. So once I get everything done, yada yada, I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections, and each of those sections I'm going to detangle and put it into a twist. Be mindful when you let the deep conditioner sit. Let it sit for 15 minutes or more. Once that's done sitting, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out of my head. Once you hop out the shower and you done rinsed everything out, everything felt all nice and good, you're gonna hop into your regular hair routine. Whatever products you use to style your hair, go ahead and do that. As you can see, my hair is like mad easy to detangle. Like my hair felt super soft, like no lumps, no residue left over from shampooing or from having the protective style in your hair. Throughout the rest of the video, you're just going to see my styling products, how I hand detangle using my Denman brush, and lots of scrunching so that way I can get everything evenly distributed, and how I get those beautiful curls that I love so much. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to press that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, definitely press that subscribe button and click on the post notification bell so that you are notified when I post a new video. Till next time, mucho besitos.